Event channels help code the occurrence of events during video frames. For example, it could code when the animal is sniffing at the left nose port or that the animal is currently rearing. The coded data can later be exported as raw data or summarized. For example, it can export the total duration the animal was sniffing or the number of rearing events. To add an event channel, click on the Event Plus button, and a new channel will be created. To configure the event channel, press the Settings button. This will open the configuration window. To change the name, replace it with a new unique name. Delete the channel by pressing the Trash button. While the video is playing, to code that an event is currently occurring, press the channel button or press the keyboard key configured for the channel. A unique keyboard key can be assigned to each channel. For example, the letter S. That key can then be used to code the channel instead of pressing the channel button manually with the mouse. The keyboard key can be used to code in one of two modes. In the first, the channel will be coded as active while the key is held down. In the second, pressing the key down once will mark all subsequent frames as active until the key is pressed again. The coded preview highlights the video frames that have been coded as active for each channel. If a mistake was made, channel data can be erased in one of three ways. In the first, press the Erase button while playing over the frames to be cleared. Notice the Erase button being pressed. The second is to select the channel. Then press the keyboard Delete key while playing over the frames. Finally, you can clear the whole channel by pressing the Clear Data button. And all the channel data is cleared. Sometimes, it may be desired to exclusively code only one channel from a group of channels as active for any frame. To achieve this, set the group to the same value for all the channels in the group. For example, sniff. Then, when the non-sniffing channel is coded, the sniffing channel is automatically cleared at that timestamp. To duplicate a channel and all its data, click on the Duplicate Channel button, and the channel will be duplicated identically.